Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 14th September 2020 on Monday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. Today I am going to teach you exercise of the comparison. Our first comparison is big and small. So student, look here. Look at the picture and write the letter B for the big objects. So student, write here B for the big object and letter S for the small object. Letter B for the big object and write letter S small objects in the boxes given below them. Okay. So student, look here picture carefully and write here B big object and write here S small object. Big and small. So look picture carefully and write here properly. Okay. So student, here two object, one is big and other one is small. So which man is big? Tell me. This? Yeah, this object is big. So here we write B. Okay. This man is big. So here we write big and this boy is small. So here we write S. S for small. Okay. And look here. Second. What are these? These are fish. How many fish? 1, 2. So which fish is big? Tell me. This? No. This fish is small and this fish is big. So here we write B. B for big. This fish is big and this small. It's small fish. Okay. So here we write S. Big, small. Okay. Here I drawn two candles. One is big and other one is small. So tell me which candle is big? This? No. This candle is small and this big. Okay. So here we write B. Big. Okay. And here we write small S. This candle is big and other one is small. Here I drawn tree. Okay. Tree and here small object. Okay. This one is big and this one is small. One is big and other one is small. So here we write B. This object is big and this object is small. So here we write S. And look here. Here I drawn two objects. So which is big object? This? No. This? Yes. This hen is big. Okay. So here we write B and this chick is small. So here we write S. S for small. Okay. Big, small. Look here. Look picture carefully. Okay. Here I drawn two buns, but this bun is small. Okay. So here we write S. And what is this? Buns, but this bun is big. Look here. Small and this big. So here we write B. Big, small. And look here next. Here I drawn two frogs. One is big and other one is small. So student, tell me which frog is big? This? No. This frog is small. This? Yes. This frog is big. So here we write B. And look here. This frog is small. So here we write S. Okay. And look here. Here I drawn two balls. One is big and other one is small. So student, tell me which ball is big? This? No. This? Yes. This ball is big. So here we write B. Okay. This ball is big. And this ball is small. So here we write S. S for small. Big, small. And what is this? Red. And what is this? Cat. So which object is big? Cat. Yeah, red. Cat. Okay. And red, small. So here we write S. Okay. Red, small. And cat, big. So here we write B. Big, small. Okay. And look here. What is this? Truck. And what is this? Car. So which object is big here? This? Yes, this object is big. And this car is small. Okay. So here we write B. Big. Okay. B for big. And here we write small. S. S for small. Okay. Big. This truck is big. And this car is small. So big, small. Okay. And next, our second exercise is read the word. Read the word and put a tick right in the box next to the correct picture. Okay. So look here. Here which word write here? B-I-G. Big. Here we write B-I-G. Big. So write tick. Okay. Which object is big? This. This is brinjal. Which picture is this? Brinjal. But brinjal is small. And what is this? Pumpkin. Which picture is this? Pumpkin. So here we write big object. So write here big object. Pumpkin is big object. Okay. And look here. Here I drawn two object. And here take the small object. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Here write small. So which object is small? This? No. This is big object. So this? Yes. This object is small. So here we write tick. Okay. And here we write B-I-G. Big. Which word write here? Big. B-I-G. Big. So which object is big here? Cup? No. Cup is small object. So this kettle? Yes. Kettle is big. Okay. So here write big object. Okay. And which word write here? S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. So here we write small object. Okay. So which object is small? This? No. This object is big. And this? Yes. This object is small. So here we write tick right. Okay. Here I drawn two objects. One is big and other one is small. So here we write big object. Okay. B-I-G. Big. Which word right here? B-I-G. Big. So here we write take the big object. Okay. This object is small and this object is big. So here we write take big object. Okay. And next look here. Which word right here? S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. So which picture is small here? Tell me. This? No. This object is big. And this nib is small. So here we write take small object. Okay. So write the small object. And look here. Which word right here? B-I-G. Big. Which word right here? Big. So here write the tick big object. So which picture is big? This? No. This object is small. So this cake is big. So here we write big object. Okay. And look here. Which word right here? SMALL, small. SMALL, small. See here I drawn two objects, watermelon and orange. So which object is small? This? No. Watermelon is big object. Orange? Yes. Orange is small. So here we write small object. And next, look here. BIG, big. Which word right here? BIG, big. So here I drawn kangaroo and rabbit. So which object is big? Kangaroo? No. Kangaroo is big and rabbit small. Which object is big? Kangaroo. Okay. So here we write tick. Okay. Kangaroo big. And here I drawn two objects. One is big and other one is small. So here which word right here? SMALL, small. So which picture is small? This? No. This? Yes. This picture is small. So here we write tick. Okay. So student, look here. Write in your book number 1 and page number 26 and 38. And our next exercise is look at the pictures, color the box next to the fat object green color. Fat object green color and the box next to the thin object orange color. So student, look this picture carefully. So tell me which picture is fat? Which boy is fat? This? Yes, this boy is fat. So here color green. Okay. Fat boy, this box color in green. Okay. And this boy is thin. So here color in orange. Okay. This box is orange color. And next, look here. Here I drawn two objects. So which object is fat and which object is thin? This? Yes, this object is fat and this object is thin. So here color orange. Okay. Thin object orange color. And fat object green color. So here color the green. Okay. And next, look this picture carefully. Here I drawn two objects. So which object is fat? This? No. This? Yes. This object is fat. So here color in green. Okay. And which object thin? This? No. This object is fat. This object is thin. So here color orange. And look here. How many monkeys are there? 1, 2. So which monkey is fat? This? Yes. This monkey is fat and it's thin. Okay. So here color in green. Fat object green and orange object thin. And look here. These are two snakes. So which snake is fat? This? No. This? Yes. This snake is fat. So here color in green. Okay. And this snake is thin. So here color in orange. And look here. Here I drawn two birds. So which bird is fat? This? No. This? Yes. This bird is fat. So here color in green. This box is green color. And thin box is orange color. This bird is fat and this bird is thin. So here color green and here color in orange. And look here, here I drawn two frogs. So which frog is thin? This? No, this frog is fat and this frog is thin. So here color in orange, okay? And here color in green. But why? This object is fat. So here color in green, okay? Here I drawn two cocks. Which cock is fat? This? No. This? Yes. This cock is fat. So here color in green, okay? This object is fat and this object is thin. So here color in orange. Here I drawn two objects. So which object is fat? This cat is fat and this thin. So here color in orange and here color in green, okay? This cat is fat and this cat is thin. So here color in orange and here color in green. Here I drawn two fish. So which fish is fat? This? No, this fish is thin. This fish is fat. So here color in green and here color in orange, okay? This fish is thin and this fish is fat. So here color in green. So student, our next exercise is circle the picture according to word given in the center. Here center में जो word लिखा है उस पर circle करना है. Okay? Which word right here? Tell me. S-H-O-R-T. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. So which object is short? This? No. This? Yes. This object is short. So circle the short object. And next, which word right here? T-A-L-L, tall. So which object is tall? This? No, this object is short. This? Yes, this object is tall. So circle the tall object, okay? Circle here tall object. And look here. S-H-O-R-T, short. Short. Read this word properly. S-H-O-R-T, short. So which object is short? This? No. This object is tall. And this object is short. So circle the short object. And next, look here. Here I drawn two objects. So which object is short? Here write S-H-O-R-T, short. This object? No. This object is tall and this object is short. So we circle here short object. And next, here I drawn two pictures. So which picture is tall? This? No. This? Yes. So here circle the tall object, okay? And next, look here. Here I drawn two objects. Which object is tall? This? Yes, this object is tall and other one is short. So circle this tall object. Okay? And here I drawn two objects. 1, 2. Here I write S-H-O-R-T, short. Which word right here? S-H-O-R-T, short. So here circle the short object. So which object is short? This? No. This? Yes. This object is short. So we circle the short object. Here look here. Here I drawn two glass. One is tall and other one is short. So which object is tall? This? No. This object is short. This? Yes, correct answer. This object is tall. So we circle this tall object. Here I drawn two ladders. One is tall and other one is short. So which object is tall? This? No, this object is short. This? Yes, this object is tall. So circle the tall object. TALL, tall. And here I write SHORT, short. So which object is short? This? No, this object is tall. This? Yes, this object is short. So we circle this short object. And last, write L for long. Write L for long and S for short object. Okay. So here I drawn two examples. Two objects. So write L for long and S for short. So which object is long? This? Yes, this object is long. So here we write L. Okay. And this object is short. So here we write S. Okay. Here I drawn two snakes. One is long and other one is short. So which snake is long? This? No, this snake is short. So here we write S for short. So here we write S. And this snake is long. So here we write L. Okay. Here I drawn two objects. Which object is long and which object is short? This? Yes, this object is long. So here we write L for long object. And this object is short. So here we write S for short. And look here, look this picture carefully. Which object is long and which object is this short? This? No, this object is short and this object is long. So here we write L for long and here short object for S. Okay. And look here. Which object is long? This? No, this object is short. So here we write S. And which object is long? This object. So here we write L for long. Okay. And look here. Here I drawn two objects. So which object is long? This? No, this object is long. So here we write L for long. And look here, which object is short? This. So here we write S for short. Okay. And next, here I drawn two objects. So which object is long? This. And this object is short. So here we write S for short and this object is long. So here we write L for long. And last, here I drawn two objects. Which object is long and which object is short? This object is short. So here we write S for short. And this object is long. So here write L for long. So student, look here. Write in your book number 1 and page number 49. Write in your book number 3 and page number 21. And write in your book number 4 and page number 18. Okay. Bye.